I really wish I did not have to tell you this, but I do. I've been watching an RT news clip, and they're talking about an imminent third explosion in the nuclear power plant. And as I was watching this RT news clip, I noticed something in the explosion, and I've watched it several times, and there's no doubt about it. And I really hate to say it, but I feel that I have to. The ancient god of old, Moloch, the same god that's represented in the Bohemian owl at Bohemian Grove in California, manifested. It is absolutely incredible to watch this thing rise up and manifest itself to the world. I'm going to put a link up to this news video. I just now watched it, and I want you to watch it very carefully, and if you have to, stop the video. There's no doubt about this in my mind. This is not good. These things are coming through like mad right now, and we need to prepare even more. That's what I will be doing today. Get your potassium iodide. Do the research about it. People over 40 shouldn't take it. Animals are going to need it if you have pets. If I can, if I'm not too busy, I'll put up more research information about the animals. Protect yourself, protect your family. This is not good. And I hate to even talk about it, but I feel that I have to. Please watch this video. Take a few minutes out of your time. Watch this video and watch this ancient demonic god, Moloch, appear and manifest itself to the world. They're getting ready for the final battle. That's why so many of these things are coming through right now.